Mastering the passive voice with will in English. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English grammar. We will focus on a specific, yet often misunderstood aspect of formal writing, using the passive voice with will. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of this grammatical structure and will be able to use it correctly and confidently in your writing. Let's get started. Before we discuss the specifics of using the passive voice with will, it's essential to understand what passive voice is. In the passive voice, the object of an action becomes the subject of the sentence. It emphasizes the action and the receiver, not who or what is performing the action. For example, instead of saying, "John will clean the room," active voice, you might say, "The room will be cleaned by John," passive voice. Now, let's discuss how to use will in the passive voice. When we use will in the passive voice, we are typically discussing a future event or action. The formula is pretty simple. Subject plus will be plus past participle of the main verb. Here's an example to illustrate. The project will be completed before the deadline. In this sentence, the project is the subject, will be comes directly after the subject, and completed is the past participle form of the verb complete. To master the use of will in the passive voice, it's crucial to practice. Let's transform some sentences from active to passive voice together. 1. The chef will prepare the meal. 2. The meal will be prepared by the chef. 2. The gardener will plant the trees. 2. The trees will be planted by the gardener. 3. Our team will launch the new product next month. 2. The new product will be launched next month by our team. Remember, the passive voice is particularly useful when you want to highlight the action itself, or the receiver of the action, rather than the doer of the action. And that's it, dear learners. We've explored the basics of using will in the passive voice. It may seem tricky at first, but remember, practice makes perfect. Try using this structure in your own writing. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master the art of using the passive voice with will. Happy learning!